Good morning, students. Welcome to the 8th standard. Hi, I am Anil Paresa. Today we are going to learn our first poem, A Time to Believe, by B.J. Moore Bitzer. Through this poem, poet wants to motivate you. He says, believe can change your life. Believe helps you to reach your destination. If you believe, then dreams really do come true. Believe is strength, power which is inside you. Use it and get what do you want. So friend, let's start our poem. To believe is to know that every day is a new beginning. विश्वास करना है कि पता है हर रोज नई शुरुआत है. Is to trust that miracle happens and dreams really do come true. भरोसा करना कि चमत्कार होते हैं और सपने सच होते हैं. To believe is to know that every day is a new beginning. Friends, suppose your last day is full of sorrow, with full of disappointment. Okay, let it be. Ignore it. Now you have a new day. Start it with new hope. Is to trust that miracle happens. We have to believe that the miracles happen and dreams really do come true. Friends, Wright brothers, who believed that they could invent aeroplane and they did it. And now we are travel by air. Dhirubhai Ambani, who believed that he would be the richest person in his life, though he was 10th standard fail. Indian believed that we succeeded in Mars mission and we did it. We show the world. Friends, it happens, these miracles happens because of we trust that miracle happens. In second stanza, to believe is to see angels dancing among the clouds. विश्वास करना कि फरिश्तों को देखना है बादलों के बीच नृत्य करते हुए. To know the wonder of stardust sky and the wisdom of the man in the moon. एक तेजस्वी आकाश के आश्चर्य के बारे में जानने के लिए और चांद पर जो इंसान है उसकी बुद्धिमत्ता देखने के लिए. To believe is to see angels. If you want to see angels, if you want to see God, you have the trust, you have to believe that there is God. We have to trust that there is an existence of the God. Then only we can see the angels or God. Nowadays, we are going through very hard time. Whole world is suffering from COVID-19. All temples, churches, masjids are locked. But your God is protecting you. God is protecting us through their angels. Who are the angels? Yes, of course, our doctors, our police, our social helpers, they are angels. If you see, then you can see them angels. They are angels. To know the wonder of stardust sky and the wisdom of the man in the moon. Dear friends, we have to find out the another planet. We have to find out the human life on another planet. We are not alone in this universe. Like us, various type of the humans are there. But we have to find them and use their wisdom, use their knowledge. For this reason also we have to believe. Third stanza. To believe is to know the value of nurturing heart, the innocence of child's eyes. विश्वास करना है देखभाल करने वाले दिलों की कदर करते में. विश्वास करना है देखभाल करने वाले दिलों की कदर करने में, एक बच्चे की आंखों की मासूमियत में। To believe is to know the value of nurturing heart, the innocence of a child's eyes, and the beauty of an aging hand। और एक बुजुर्ग के हाथों की सुंदरता हमें सिखाती है कि कैसे प्यार करते हैं। Believe is to know the value of nurturing heart. In this world, we have to give the respect them who really having the nurturing heart, means caring heart. We have to see the love in the mind, in the eyes of the innocent child eyes, and the beauty of an aging hand. For it, through their teaching, we learn to love. Here, the word, the beauty of an aging hand, is indicates that they are growing old. Their skin is old, but it's also having a beauty because they have the experience of the life. They learn through their life, and whole life they give to their granddaughters, grandsons, and their own kids. They teaches us how to love through their life, and so we must respect those people who having the nurturing heart. To believe is to find the strength and the courage that lies within us. When it is time to pick up the pieces and begin again. To believe is to find the strength. विश्वास करने के लिए ताकत मिलती रहती है, एंड करेज दैट लाइज विद इन अस, और साहस जो हमारे भीतर है। व्हेन, जब इट इज टाइम टू पिक अप द पीसेस, जब लेने का समय आता है, हमारे टूटे हुए टुकड़े को एक साथ ठीक करने में। Here, the poet says that it is a time, it is a time to, it is a time to return to normal after a shock or disaster. See, we have to believe that we have power, we have strength, we have courage, and definitely we will come out from this shock. Now we have a shock, we are in a shock of COVID 19. We are in the shock of this disease, but we have to believe that we have courage, we have strength, that we come out from this disaster, we come out from this problem, and we will live a normal life. Once again, we will go to school, we will meet our friends, we will meet our relatives, we will go outdoors to enjoy our life. But we have to utilize our power, our strength, which lies in our inside our mind. To believe is to know we are never alone, that life is a gift, and this is our time to cherish it. To believe is to know we are never alone. विश्वास करना है कि पता है हम कभी अकेले नहीं हैं। दैट लाइफ इज अ गिफ्ट, जीवन एक उपहार है, एंड दिस इज आवर टाइम टू चेरिश, और इसे संजोना हमारा समय है, और इसे सजाने का समय अब हमारा है। To believe is to know we are never alone, हमें समझना है कि हम अकेले नहीं हैं. We are not alone who suffering from the many problems, who having the many problems. There are many people who are suffering in their life. We are now safe at our home, but just imagine those laborers who are just away from their hometowns or from their home. They struggling to reach their home. They were walking miles of miles, kilometers of kilometers by walk. Just imagine how they have problem. We are not alone. That life is a gift. ये जीवन हमें उपहार में मिला है. Isn't it? We have to preserve it. We have to cherish it. We have to just love it. We should not give up. हमें इसे छोड़ना नहीं, इसे गिव अप नहीं करना है. Now we heard the very sad news that our Bollywood star Sushant Singh committed suicide. He had also his own problem. He had also some his a career problem, and he just gave up. He quit and he committed suicide. He forgot that life is a gift. So we should not be surrendered in front of our problems. Why? Because we knows that we are never alone. Life is gift and we have to cherish it. It is time. Last paragraph. To believe is to know that wonderful surprises are just waiting to happen. विश्वास करना है कि पता है अद्भुत आश्चर्य बस होने के लिए इंतज़ार कर रहे हैं. And all our hopes and dreams are within reach. और हमारी सारी आशाएं और सपने पहुंच के भीतर है. If only we believe. यदि केवल हम विश्वास करते हैं. In this last paragraph, he said that to believe is to know that wonderful surprises are just waiting to happen. विश्वास करना है कि हमें पता है अद्भुत आश्चर्य बस होने के लिए इंतजार कर रहे हैं. We have patience. We have to wait. Some days, this time, hard time is going to pass away. In this world, everything is temporary. Nothing is permanent, even our problems or sorrows. And all our hopes and dreams are within reach. और हमारी सारी आशाएं और सपने पहुंच के भीतर हैं. बट इफ ओनली वी बिलीव. अगर आप विश्वास करते हैं, यदि केवल आप विश्वास करते हैं, देन डेफिनेटली ऑल आवर होप्स एंड ड्रीम्स आर विद इन अ रीच. मीन्स पॉसिबल टू अचीव. Believe by B.J. Morwitzer. Through this beautiful poem, he gave us the hope of prayer that don't give up because it is a time to believe. I hope you enjoyed this beautiful poem. Read it twice. Just try to solve all questions given below. If you have any queries, just give me message through WhatsApp, and if you like it, please share it with your friends. Thank you very much. Believe.